Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the UPPAbaby Knox Convertible car seat, a versatile and safe choice for your growing child. Designed for kids aged 1 to 6 years, it seamlessly transitions from rear-facing for children weighing 14 to 45 pounds to forward-facing for those between 25 and 65 pounds. The Knox boasts an intuitive no-rethread harness, an 8-position headrest, and a 4-position recline, ensuring a perfect fit as your child grows. Safety is paramount with the SmartSecure system technology, which includes a tightness indicator and robust tension clips for a foolproof installation, while color-coded seatbelt pads make it easy to understand. The chemical-free SafeTech and PureTech fabrics, along with merino wool options, offer comfort in any weather, keeping your child cool on hot days and warm on cooler ones. The multi-directional tether significantly reduces seat rotation and stress on the head and neck during impacts, reducing injury potential by up to 45% when rear-facing. Finally, the energy response technology, featuring an active support headrest, side impact pods, and an impact dispersion zone with specialized EP foam, provides unparalleled side impact protection, making the Knox a top choice for safety-conscious parents. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.